right, so we're going to be looking at the refresher book, page 127, and we're going to be converting decimals and fractions into percents. So let's get started. So decimals, percents, excuse me, fractions, just different ways to express the same thing. And there's ways to translate one to the other. Just like you can translate languages back and forth, you can translate decimals, percentages, and fractions. Now, here's examples of fractions, percents, and decimals that all match up. 0.50, 50 cents of a dollar. 50%, 50 out of 100. To convert a decimal to a percent, you may have noticed that, oh, wait a minute, you know something? Look at that. They're the same numbers. It's really just that the decimal point's in a different place. This is 50.0 and this is 0.50. This is 0.25 and this is 25.0. If I did 0.35, that goes to 35. And if you've noticed a pattern, what you do every time is you move that decimal point over 2 to the right, 2 to the right, 2 to the right. Every time, 2 to the right. So here we're going to convert decimals into percents. 1, 2, 37%. 1, 2, 39%. 1, 3, no, 1, 2, no, I forget. Anyway, 9%. Be aware that you do count that 0. 1, 2, 150%. So that's how you convert a decimal to a percent. Now, you're probably wondering, can I wrap this around? Can I convert this fraction back to a decimal? And the answer is yes, you can. To convert a fraction back to a percent, what you do is you divide the bottom into the top. Now 4 doesn't go into 3, so I'm going to drop in a 0, so I put a point and a 0. 4 goes into 3 7 times. By the way, I have to bring the point up. 2 left over, drop another 0, goes in 5 times, and I'm good. And at that point, you can see I'm at 0.75, and you can convert that to a percent. Pretty cool. One more example. So you divide the bottom into the top, so 20 doesn't go into 3. Drop a 0, 1. By the way, that decimal needs to come up. Drop another 0. Oh, it's 0.15. And that converts to 15%. All right. So, as I said, you're on page 127, and about 3/4 of the page you're going to be converting decimals to percents, and the last part you're going to convert fractions into percents. So I think that covers everything. So have at it and good luck.